Hi, in front of me is Vivax Point X503 and today I would like to show you how you can set up face unlock on this device. Start by opening settings and scrolling down. Now click on security and location, scroll down again, tap on face lock and read the disclaimer. After that, tap next. Enter your current login method and click next again. Now tap done, and when I turn off my screen and turn it back on, I can see that face unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!